So we just made it to Hanoi, Vietnam, and right now we're in the lobby of the hotel that we're going to be staying at for the next day or two. Okay, let's see the room. On.
What the hell?
No, you gotta put in the card, right?
Oh.
Okay, on. Ooh.
What's that noise?
All right, let's see the view. Here's the view. Oh. Ooh. Oh, that's nice. Room. Alright, now that we're here, we gotta find some real Vietnamese food. This is the hotel that I'm staying at. Whoa! Whoa! Alright, story time. Right there, Hồ Hoàng Kim is where my dad went over there to
Fish shrimp.
fish shrimps 40 years ago. The bridge to fishing. Boy. Hey!
Hey.
Alright, we're going. Hello! Hello!
For this kind of ice cream. And I forgot what's the English name. Oh my god. This brings back my memories to my childhood.
A melon? I don't know what it is, but it's pretty good.
Còn ngày kia là cái này là hổ ươm.
Có phải nền cho bà.
Trời ơi, nhiều to bát to đúng không? Wow. Đây, cho đây một bát đi. Bát này em còn gọi nữa không?
Còn một bát nữa.
Không gọi à? Thế anh xe bát này nhá.
Một bát rồi.
Anh nhìn thấy nhiều quá anh.
Thôi.
Cho nhanh được không rồi.
So this is their old house.
Mấy cái phần đó mày
Oh.
Okay, ready?
Okay. First banh mi of Vietnam.
Good. Ủa sao dục cái đi ngay?
Costs $3.25 for 3 of them. Okay.
Này còn có ăn trứng nữa không?
Alright, so we're visiting Mama's friends from Vietnam right now.
Đâu dán đấy nhá.
Alright, my mama used to live right there.
Mới răng nhai này đó.
Lớp sao hấp tan. Tan gì lọt. Hỏi 2 tiền.
Có nữa rồi.
Ăn một cái, còn con ăn 2 cái, ăn thử đi.
Cái này những nhiệt hay lắm. Nó còn bao nhiêu việc thế này?
Em ngồi đi, ngồi đây.
Ôi.
Những người gần nhà.
Nhiều đông lắm. Đồ ăn ở trên đó.
Trông chị hơn nhà luôn mình hòa.
Chụp mấy cái gì
Kitchen.
là đẹp.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Cái cháo với cái súp ngon. Cái súp lần đầu tiên đó.
Cháo cháo rồi cháo quậy màu xanh.
Cháo nhẹ.
Ok, một.
This is a famous temple in Vietnam.
Cái kia ngon. Cái thằng que ngon hơn.
Đi còn ngam à?
Cái cô chi cái đốc.
We are now in the lake of Ho Wan Kim. This is the temple. Alright, so this thing behind me is built, usually a temple is built with 4 columns. This one in particular is built with 1 column. So that's what's so special and touristy about this one. Is the Ho Chi Minh right over there. You got guards everywhere. Pretty touristy place here. Yeah. Bye. And we are back to eating again. I got some sugarcane juice. Ooh, it's so good. For less than 50 cents.
Này đó là trái mùa.
Cái trái mùa.
Trái mùa hết rồi.
Cây tấm tay. Lấy đồ khác. Má tăng cái gì? Phải gì? Lấy hơi câu.
7 a.m. in the morning, and this is our morning buffet, and then we're gonna head to Halong Bay right after. Our limo has arrived right there.
North of Vietnam. Our country is a long country. You can see on the maps, from north to the south about more than 3,000 kilometers.
Here is Halong Bay, and here's the map of Halong Bay. And Halong Bay owns the area about 1,350 square kilometers.
Yeah. We cut the gold to the oyster to fry the pearl. Yeah, as you can see, this is Akoya pearl. You see Akoya pearl 2 years old. Right. Akoya pearl. But first of all, we need to classify the pearl with the same luster quality. The lighter like this, those quality of
Thank you. Alright, now we're in Halong Bay's harbor. And now we're gonna board the ship. And I don't know how many hours it's gonna take to to cruise there.
Careful, be careful, be careful. Wow.
Thì nó có thuyền cao mài kìa.
We're now on a boat. Woo, on a bamboo boat.
Em ơi,
And
Này.
we're heading into
Em
a
ơi.
cave.
lên bảng ấy xem có đủ không, nó lên chắc. Xong anh nearly 10 typhoons, cyclones or hurricanes. Yeah, with strong wind. So the fishermen often come here.
It's literally I can hop on from one boat to the other. Alright, here comes another fleet of Asian people. Here they go, here they go.
The cave's name Hang Sừng Sốt in Vietnamese. Hang it means cave, Sừng Sốt it means surprising. And what make you be surprised?
Alright, we are finally coming back down from the cave. It was quite an experience. Never again. Okay, so we started from here, and then we walked all the way up here to there, and another to here, all the way back here, walk back down here. Now we're here. Nice table.